Welcome to Computer Code channel. In this video, we are going to see the combination of lower function and concatenate function, combination of upper function and concatenate function, combination of proper function and concatenate function. We have first name in column A, last name in column B. In column C, we want full name. To get the full name, we have to combine first name and last name. We can achieve this task by using concatenate function. Concatenate function. The word concatenate means to join or combine. The concatenate function in Excel is used to combine text from different cells into one cell. Formula equals concatenate open bracket A2 comma B2 closed bracket. Here A2 represents first name, B2 represents last name. Press enter button. If you observe the full name, there is no space between the first name and the last name. Let's see how to give space between first name and last name. Formula equals concatenate open bracket A2 comma double quotes space double quotes comma B2 close the bracket. To get space between the first name and last name, we are using double quotes space double quotes. Suppose we want hyphen between the names, then we use double quotes hyphen double quotes. Press enter button. You can see one space between the first name and last name. Drag down with free handle. You can see other person's full name. Let's see how to write full name in capital letters using upper function and concatenate function. Upper function. The Excel upper function converts a text string to all uppercase letters. Formula equals upper open bracket concatenate open bracket A2 comma double quotes space double quotes comma B2 closed bracket 2 times. In first step, concatenate function combines first name and last name. In second step, upper function capitalizes the full name. Press enter button. Get the full name of the person. Drag down with free handle. Get the full name of other people in capital letters. Let's see how to write full name in small letters using lower function and concatenate function. Lower function. The lower function converts a text string to all lowercase letters. Formula equals lower open bracket concatenate open bracket A2 comma double quotes space double quotes comma B2 closed bracket 2 times. In first step, concatenate function combines first name and last name. In second step, lower function writes the full name in small letters. Press enter button. Get the full name of the person in small letters. Drag down with free handle. Get the full name of other people in small letters. Let's see how to write full name in proper case using proper function and concatenate function. Proper function. It capitalizes the first letter in text string. Formula equals proper open bracket concatenate open bracket A2 comma double quotes space double quotes comma B2 closed bracket 2 times. In first step, concatenate function combines first name and last name. In second step, proper function writes first letter in each word of the name as capital and the others as small. Press enter button. Get the full name of the person. The first letter of each word appears as capital and the rest as small. Drag down with the free handle. Get the full name of other people in proper case. Hope you understood how to write concatenate function with upper, lower and proper functions. Concatenate function is a powerful and useful function in office work. In new versions of MS Excel, users can use concat function in place of concatenate function. Concat function is more advanced function when compared to concatenate function. In the video top 10 test functions in MS Excel, you get the full information how to write lower function, upper function and proper function. Go and watch that video in this channel. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code God channel. Click the bell icon. Thank you.